In the world of craftsmanship, where time-honored traditions meet meticulous attention to detail, there is a place where beauty and elegance are meticulously crafted by hand. Welcome to Lirys jewellery, where the art of creating Cuban link chains comes to life. The process begins with the transformation of precious gold into a molten state. The purest gold is carefully melted, creating a shimmering liquid gold bar that will form the foundation of the exquisite chain. The molten gold is poured into a mould, forming a solid bar. This golden bar is then meticulously stretched, elongated and thinned. Each pull of the gold increases its strength, ensuring that the chain will be not only stunning but durable as well. Creating a coil from the stretched gold. With the gold bar now stretched to perfection, skilled artisans deftly shape it into a coil, carefully wrapping the gold around a mandrel. The precision in this step ensures that each link will be consistent in size and shape. Cutting the gold links. A symphony of tools and expert hands come together as the coil is meticulously cut into individual gold links. Each link is measured precisely, ensuring a seamless connection that will create a breathtaking chain. Assembling and soldering the links. The painstaking work of assembling the chain begins. Each link is meticulously joined to its neighbour, with expert craftsmen delicately soldering them together, ensuring strength and longevity. Twisting the chain. A true testament to the artistry involved, the chain is gently twisted, creating the iconic Cuban link pattern. The intertwining links form a symphony of elegance, catching the light and reflecting its beauty. Gluing and filing the chain. First, the chain is glued in place with shellac, a gum-like resin that is produced from the secretions of the lac bug raining from the forests in India. With attention to every detail, the chain is carefully filed, smoothing any rough edges. The meticulous craftsmanship guarantees a comfortable and refined wearing experience. A master jeweler carefully fashions the clasp, ensuring it seamlessly blends with the chain. Every curve, every line is meticulously shaped, creating a secure and stylish closure. Finally, the chain undergoes a meticulous polishing process, where it is gently buffed to a dazzling brilliance. The radiant glow showcases the artisan's dedication, turning the chain into a true work of art. And there you have it, the captivating journey of handcrafting a Cuban link chain at Lirys jewellery, a testament to human ingenuity and timeless artistry. And honestly, these are just the best Cuban links money can buy.